Hello everyone, welcome back to my page, Arts by VJ. I hope you all are doing great. I know I haven't posted for a very long time and I'm really sorry for that. There were some personal reasons because of which I couldn't post. So yeah, I'll try to be consistent now. So the painting that I'm posting the video for today is of Lord Krishna. I'm a huge devotee of Lord Krishna and I hope most of you people are too. So I've done this painting on fabric. Like I've painted Lord Krishna on the cotton fabric and I've painted the morpang on the dupatta. So firstly have a look at both of these paintings right now on your screens. Have a look at it. As you people have already seen both the paintings, so I'll request you to wait till the end of the video. Just watch the entire video because I'll be sharing small details in between the video in order to help the people who want to learn fabric painting. So those will be a bit of suggestions and the pointers that you can use while you practice fabric painting. So let's start with the process. Finally, let's start. As you can see, I've just used single layer of color while I'm dealing with this painting because the cloth is of cotton, like it's not silk or something else. So while you're dealing with cotton, you just need to do a single layer of color instead of multiple layers. A single layer is more than sufficient. Okay? So while you're dealing with the finishing, as I've mentioned in the previous videos, you always use fine brushes like 000 or 00 brushes. Those give the painting a very authentic and a very fine, nice look. Use those brushes while you are dealing with finishing. And another thing that I would like to add with this is use a minimum of medium while you're dealing with fabric painting. Use water instead because while you're using medium, the cloth becomes quite sticky. Like when you'll be done with the painting will be quite sticky with the cloth. So it will make it a bit difficult. Like initially, when you're initially learning fabric painting, do use medium, but later on when you are like a bit good with the fabric painting, then start using water more instead of medium. Thank you.
You're a liar, liar. Your heart's on fire, fire. And I'm ringing the alarm. Yeah, I'm ringing the alarm. You're a liar, liar. Your heart's on fire, fire. And I'm ringing the alarm, the alarm. I keep my heart protected. There's a fence around it. Ain't nobody breaking down my wall.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I seriously hope so. And if you did, do like the video, share it as much as you can, and do drop down in the comment section whatever you felt while watching this video. And if you have any other queries in regard to art and craft or painting or fabric painting in general, do drop them down in the comment section and I'll try to revert back to you guys as soon as possible. and do subscribe to my channel, guys. Please, you have to do that. I'm repeating it. Do subscribe to my channel for more of such content. And guys, finally, as it was a Lord Krishna painting, Radha Krishna.